Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given the cost of laying 12 meters square, which is $270 for part A. Find the cost of laying the tiles per meter. This term simply means how much for 1 meter square. Okay, so the word per represents 1. So in this case here, since I know 12 meter square is $270, so the cost per meter square would therefore be equal to my 270 divided by 12 meter square, and that will give me $22.50. And once I know this, then I will be able to get how much it will be for the cost for laying 20 meter square, okay, of floor tiles. It would be simply, since 1 meter square is $20.50, and I'm going to find 20 meter square, all I need to do is just simply multiplying by 20. Alright, and we are done with this question. So if you like this question, do give it a thumbs up. Then thank you for watching and have a nice day.